Have you ever thought to yourself, you know what? I think I might go get a white lipstick. Yeah, I haven't either, but I bought this anyway because the marketing on this says that it's supposed to transform any shade into a lighter shade of lipstick. So I figured we could just try it out together. This is one of Kat Von D's new Studded Kiss lipsticks, and the marketing on this, like I mentioned, is that it is white and it is supposed to transform any lipstick into a lighter shade. I did do a little bit of research. You can buy white lipstick from other brands. White lipstick is not anything new. Just from a very quick Google search, I found that MAC has one and NYX has one. So if you like the way that this looks, don't feel like you gotta go buy the Kat Von D. You might wanna go ahead and check out the NYX one. I can't vouch for it. I've never tried it, but it does exist, and you might be able to get the exact same thing from that. So what I did was I brought out some of my deeper lipsticks from like Makeup Forever. I have one from Dose of Colors. I have one from Ofra, and then I have a ColourPop, and I figured we would just try these on so you can see how it works to decide whether a white lipstick might be right for you. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove my lip product. Ooh, this is oily. Why did I use this? I just remember, I found this in a drawer and I remembered why I don't use this. It is so oily. This is the Almay Nourish Hydrating it's eye makeup remover pads. Oops. Stupid. All right, now that my idiot self got that off, let's go ahead and I'm just gonna put this on by itself so you can see what it looks like on its own. Oh wow. Well, that's very interesting. So as I put it on by itself, I can feel that it almost feels a little bit drying on the lips, which is kind of weird. Like on the edges of my lips, it feels a little bit dry. I'm gonna go ahead and remove this and then we're gonna start the testing. Okay, that did come off relatively easily, which is a good thing. I used this in live chat the other day and one of the glorious members of the Collective Brain, oh my gosh, so smart, she suggested that I put it on underneath the lipstick because that way I won't get the color from the lipstick onto the tube. So I'm just gonna put this on half my lips. Now let's play it safe and we're gonna start with the Makeup Forever Artist Rouge Matte in M450. So you can see there is definitely a difference between the two sides, the one with the white, the one without. Just for fun, let's go ahead and apply this over top. Wow. How fun is that? I find that to be very fun, but then we have the problem of that this now has lipstick all over it. But it definitely works. I'll tell you that. Now we're gonna use actual lipstick remover to get this off of my lips now. And let's try a different color. Let's try liquid lipstick this time. Okay, let's just clean this off and, well, mostly off. Let me clean it all the way off. I'm losing product every time I clean it though, so, you know, keep that in mind. Let's do the Dose of Colors liquid lipstick. All right, this is in the shade Los Angeles, but jealous is spelled like jealous instead of Angeles. And I never wear this shade because it's scary. So let's see if Kat Von D can make it a little less scary. I don't seem to be getting any white transfer onto the applicator, so that's a good thing. I'm gonna go ahead and let this dry a little bit because this formula does dry down pretty well, and then we're gonna put the white over top. All right, let's put the Kat Von D over top because there really isn't a huge difference doing it that way, but I bet you this is gonna make a big difference. That's really pretty, I like it. It's very fun. Okay, I have an idea. Let's go ahead and try out an ombre lip with this. Ooh, let's do grunge. Now this one I feel like is a shade that it's so dark that there's only certain, like, I can only wear it when I'm like in a certain mood. All right, Kat, pull through for me. Oh my gosh, I love that. Look how pretty that is. And what I really like about it is it's pulling the center of my lip forward, so it's actually making my lips look bigger, in my opinion. I think it looks really pretty. I really like that a lot. I want to keep this on, but I've got one more that I wanted to show you. Let's try to ombre a liquid lipstick. This is the Ofra Santa Ana. Okay, I'm gonna put this on first and see what happens. Am I ready for Instagram lip art? Yes? No? No. Okay, I don't think that worked very well. Let's go ahead and put it on top. Definitely looks very 80s with this eye, but it is cute. I don't think I can leave this one on and take myself seriously, so I'm gonna switch back to grunge. So now I've got a lip that I believe matches my eye, so I can talk to you. So final thoughts on this. Does it work? Yes. Is it fun? Yes. Is it necessary? No, especially at this price point when you can get a white lipstick that should be pretty similar from NYX for like $7. The one thing I really don't like about having to do this is the whole wiping off the tip thing to get the lip color off. I feel like that is a big like for this because I'm losing a lot of product and wiping it off. Before this, I think I'd used it maybe 3 times and you can see it's already starting to wear down a bit just from this swatch video. So I would imagine this would last, not, half as long as a regular lipstick tube. So even more reason to buy the less expensive version. And just from experience with NYX lipsticks, it should be pretty opaque just like this. I do enjoy that formula. So I have a feeling that one's going to be just as good as this, but it is really fun. I'm not going to return it. I'm really enjoying it. I'm thankful I have it, but again, price point I don't think is 100% necessary when there's alternatives out there for you. If you know of any other white lipsticks that different brands make, definitely leave those in the comments below because we are the collective brain of makeup awesomeness and we work together to make sure we don't buy crap and make sure we help each other to buy things that are totally worth it. So if you know another white lipstick, definitely let us know if you've had experience with it. But yeah, I think the whole concept is cool and I definitely recommend trying some version of this white lipstick out. So I want to thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, definitely make sure you hit the subscribe button and join the collective brain of makeup awesomeness. Mad love to you and I will see you in a video very, very soon. Bye!